y'all, today we're going to learn how to work into both sides of our chain. Today I'm just working in some regular 4-weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. You're going to need to know how to chain and how to single crochet to do this. So if you need to learn how, I have videos on that and I'll link them. But I'm starting off with chaining 11. Now the 11th stitch is actually going to be our turning chain. So that is going to be that stitch right there. That is our turning chain. So I'm going to work into the second chain from my hook and I'm going to single crochet. So insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through again. That's one single crochet. Now I'm going to single crochet 2 more times into that same chain. So today I'm just going to make a nice little oblong kind of shape, and this is going to help us turn. All right, so I've got 3 single crochets in that 10th chain, and now I'm just going to single crochet into all of the other chains down until the last chain. All right, I've reached the last chain. And now I'm going to work 3 more single crochets into that stitch. 1, 2, and 3. All right, so now I've worked a stitch into every chain and it looks something like this. Now we're going to work into these bumps, the opposite side of the chain. So I'm just going to continue around. I'm going to insert my hook into that bump. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. I've worked a single crochet into the opposite side of the chain. Now I'm going to do it again. Insert my hook, yarn over, pull through again. And I'm just going to do that into every bump I see. And at the end, you'll just make sure that you have the same number of stitches on each of the long sides. And to finish it off, I'm going to join the beginning to the end with a slip stitch. So yeah, that's just a quick tutorial on how I would do that. From here, I could either continue my rounds or I can cut my yarn and fasten off. I have a video on that as well. But yeah, that's how you do it.